I would request Shamim Islam and Ikhtiar Hussain of Ajmal Modern Residential School, Zubidan, to kindly come forward and begin the day with a Qiraat recitation. Shamim would be presenting the Qiraat and Ikhtiar would do the translation.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Shamim Islam of Standard 10 of Ajmal Modern Residential School, and I am here to present a verse of the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار والفلك التي تجري في البحر بما ينفع الناس وما أنزل الله من السماء من ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وبث فيها من كل دابة وتصريف الرياح والسحاب المسخر بين السماء والأرض لآيات لقوم يعقلون. صدق الله العظيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Ikhtiar Hussain of Standard 10 of Ajmal Modern Residential School. I am going to explain and translate the message received from the verse of the Holy Quran, which reveals the aspects of science recited by Murada Shami. I seek refuge in Allah from the curse Satan. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Creation of the heavens and the earth. The verse acknowledges the complexity of the universe, pointing to the vastness and intricacy of the creation of the heavens and the earth, which invites scientific studies and exploration. Cycle of night and day. The variation between the night and day is a natural cycle resulting due to the earth's rotation on its axis. This cycle is critical in various scientific fields including astronomy and meteorology. Movement of ships in the sea. The verse mentions ships sailing in the sea, highlighting the principles of buoyancy and navigation, which are crucial in marine science and engineering. Water cycle. The reference to water coming down from the sky and reviving the earth touches on the water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and the replenishment of the land. This is a central concept in environmental science and hydrology. Diversity of living creatures. The verse mentions the proliferation of living creatures on the earth, which aligns with biological science including zoology and ecology, reflecting the diversity and interdependence of life forms. Winds and clouds. The control and movement of winds and clouds are significant in meteorology. Understanding these elements helps in weather forecasting and climate study. Thank you for listening to me patiently.